Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Zcash coin. The price line of Zcash is dropped at multiple supports, and in today's video we will analyze, are we going to have a reversal from here, or we are going to break down these supports. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it first, and for more ideas you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I am sharing different trading ideas for you on the daily basis, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. First of all, let me to show you this weekly time frame chart, and here we can see that the price line is having very nice support of the 200 simple moving average. If this yellow line is the weekly 200 and this red line is the weekly 100 simple moving average, and 100 simple moving average has recently crossed up the 200 simple moving average. That is a bull cross, and whenever the smaller time frame moving average crosses of the bigger time frame, that produces a buying signal and a rally to the upside. So far this rally is due, however the price line is having very nice supports of both moving averages. Right now we are touching the 100, and the 200 is approximately at $104, and it is possible that it will be moved up and provide more firm support. However, the candle is really very bearish. Now if we take a look at the uptrend line support, then I've been showing you the support in my previous videos as well. We have this support from March 2020, and so far this support is not broken down. The price line is again testing this support. We tested this support here in March 2020, then we again tested here in November 2020, and then in December 2020, and we again tested here in July 2020, and right now after this rally we are again testing this support. So we have this uptrend line support, and this 100 simple moving average, that is the second support, and the 200 simple moving average on the weekly time frame. And there is also a very nice support zone that starts from $100 and goes to $80. If I place this trend line, then it will be easy for you to understand. Here I've placed the trend line at $100, and the next trend line I'm placing at $80. And you can see that previously this level, if I highlight this level, let me highlight this level, then it will be easy for you to understand. You can see that even in the previous history, when we had this rally, the price line was rejected here, then it moved up again, and we again had another rally. But before that rally, the price line had some correction and used this level as a support, and we had another rally, then price line again used this level as a support here, and when this support was broken down, here it was rejected, here it worked as a resistance, here it worked as a support, here it worked as a resistance again and as a resistance, and here it has been breaking as a resistance once again. And after this rally that was started in the January 2021, the price line after that did not break down this support, and you can see it tested it here, 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 and here, and right now we are above that support. So far we did not test this support, but it is possible that we will have a spike or move up to that level, this support level, and then the price line will have a reversal move. Before this support, we have three supports, the 100 weekly, the 200 weekly, and this uptrend line support. That is also in itself is a really very long-term support that was started here in March 2020. And if we take a look at the RSI on this weekly time frame, then we can see recently price line was forming higher low than previous low, and the RSI is forming lower than previous low. So there is also a hidden bullish divergence with these supports. Therefore the next few hours or days are really very important, especially on this weekly time frame chart. We should keep an eye on these supports. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I am sharing different trading ideas for you on the daily basis, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.